6th graders. This is to help you with question 1 on CR 28, version B. It says 6 children gathered walnuts on their uncle's farm. 3 gathered 50 walnuts each, then put them in the bushel basket. The other 3 gathered 75 walnuts each and put them in the bushel basket. The children used this number sentence to determine how many walnuts gathered. So they did 3 times 50 and then added on the 3 times 75, and that gave them the total walnuts gathered. Which of the following number sentences could also be used to determine how many walnuts they gathered? Okay, well, there's lots of ways to go about this, but I think I'll just figure out how many walnuts they gathered and then see which of these gets me to the same amount of walnuts. So 3 times 50. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 5 is 15. So that's 150. Still have my plus sign. 3 times 75. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down a 5, carry a 1. Set 3 times 7 is 21. 1 more is 22. So we'll add on 225. Together, that will give us how many walnuts we gathered. So now I'll take 150 plus 225. 5 and 2 is 7. 1 and 2 is 3. So they gathered 375 walnuts. So now I'm just going to check letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D. Let's find out which one works. Check letter A. Let's see. 3, and then in parentheses, 50 plus 75 equals P. So here you multiplied 50 by 3, you multiplied 75 by 3, and then you add it together. What we're saying is, could you add 50 and 75 first and then multiply by 3 and get the same answer? Let's find out. 50 plus 75 within parentheses, 0 and 5 is 5, 5 and 7 is 12. So this is 3 times 125. It's a multiplication if we don't see an operation between the 3 and the parentheses. So let's take 125 and multiply by 3. See if we get 375. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down a 5, carry a 1. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 more is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. Guess what? It is letter A. I can tell you C wouldn't have a shot because 3 plus 50 is 53, plus 3 more is 56. 56 plus 75 gets you nowhere near 375. And I could go through each way. That won't work, but here's the dealio. You just guess and check. Try a problem, see if you come up with the same value for the walnuts. Hope that helps.